Hey bros, let's go to crossing of the water. Let's go, guys. Wow, that looks terrible. How are we
Nephi, shut up!
How are we gonna get across?
Nephi, no one cares. I'm labeling it and I'm a jerk.
There's no way we're gonna be able to pass that.
We're not gonna get across this.
No, we
It's
just totally got across
disgusting.
this thing.
With what? A battleship?
No,
I got a horse.
I don't know.
I got a jetpack.
Romeo, let's go. Let's go play some Xbox. Come on. Let's go. Come on.
Don't ever listen to me.
Let's let Mason do his gay little, I don't know.
What else is it?
This? Yeah, really steep. Sometimes I'll pick something like if I'm by myself.
Nephi, you should build a boat.
A boat!
Have you guys seen the new Barney game?
Oh yeah.
That is sick stuff.
The campaign.
That is way. This is my room, Nephi!
Yeah, we'll be able to, guess what? We can make tools out of this.
It's tools for what?
The boat?
Are you still caught up on
Oh
the
my,
boat?
the boat!
Yeah, the boat!
Leon!
Lemuel, what do you got to say about this?
Ding.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, yeah.
That's pretty
I
sick.
know, I mean, look at this thing.
Wait a second, is this from Minecraft?
I'm done.
Really, guys, come on. You guys got to be more obedient to the Lord. You guys are sloppy and lazy.
You know, you should be grateful we're working on this boat
I don't
anyway.
even know what lazy even means. I am done with you.
I'm done. Throw him in the
Guys,
ocean.
come on. You're so dumb.
You're gonna die. You're gonna die right now. Right now.
Stretch forth thine hand again unto thy brethren, and they shall not wither before thee. But I will shock them, saith the Lord, and this will I do that they may know that I am the Lord their God.
I don't believe that junk.
Whatever, Joe.
Hey!
Oh, freak, I dropped my rower.
No!
You guys see that guy's fishing the whole time? He should be like, hey,
Promised land!
The promised
My mom's house.
yes.
I'm in it.
Jump up and down. Get excited.